Hey, what's up, everybody? 2021 Toyota Sienna. I'm doing the maintenance light reset and oil light reset. So we're gonna be using these arrow buttons right here, and then maybe this back button. So first, we're gonna push the right or left to see where we're at on that menu up there. I'm gonna go ahead and get closer to that. Okay, so we're gonna push the right button to go all the way over to the gear, and then push the down arrow to go to the very bottom. Go to vehicle settings, push and hold OK. Now we're going to go all the way down once we get to the vehicle settings to oil maintenance. And it says push OK to reset. Reset data, just go up to yes, hit yes, OK. And that's that. And then if you go back with the back button, you can go to scheduled maintenance. And it's the same exact thing, scheduled maintenance. You just go to reset data and hit yes. Reset complete, and then you can just hit back a couple times to get back to the main menu, and that's it. That's how you do it. All right.